What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to outline text in Photoshop, maintaining its editability, which is pretty cool for any project you're working on. This technique allows you to be creative with your designs while keeping your text versatile for any changes you might want to make later. To kick things off, select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Select anywhere on your canvas and type out the word. Let's use outline as our example. The next step is to create the actual outline effect. To do this, go to the Layers panel and double-click on the right side of your text layer to bring up the Layer Styles dialog. Here, we are aiming to add a stroke and make the text fill transparent. Start by adjusting the fill. In the blending options, slide the fill opacity down to 0%. This makes the text color invisible, leaving us with the outline once we apply the stroke. Now, let's add that stroke. Click on the stroke option within the Layer Styles. If you can't see it directly, go to the bottom of the dialog and choose Effects, followed by Stroke. Here, you can adjust the stroke size, position and color. The size adjusts the thickness of your outline, while the position, inside, outside or center, affects how the stroke aligns with your text edges. I recommend setting it to outline to retain the original shape of your font. You can also play around with the stroke color here, choosing anything from a deep blue to a vibrant red, depending on your project's needs. After setting your stroke, hit OK to apply your changes. What's awesome about this method is that your text is still editable. If you decide to change the wording or adjust the font later, you can do so without redoing the outline effect. For demonstration purposes, let's quickly add a solid background color so you can see the outlined text in action. First, click on the background layer. Then go to the bottom of the Layers panel. Click the New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon and select Solid Color. Choose any color that contrasts well with your stroke for maximum impact. Now you'll see the background color showing through the transparent text fill, beautifully highlighting the outlined text. And there you have it. Your text is not just outlined but perfectly overlaps any background, offering a professional and dynamic look for your design. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.